everyone! So today I am doing a fall makeup look for you guys using this eyeshadow palette I recently picked up, and it's the Wet n Wild 10 pan eyeshadow palette, and it is in Coffin Break. So when I saw these shades, it basically made me think of fall, and so I decided that I want to do a makeup look for you guys. I already set my face, so we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to start off with an eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be using my Milani eyeshadow base. So I'm going to use that today on the lid. So after applying that, I'm going to go in with the transition shade here, and I'm going to use my crease blending brush. I'm just going to use that on my crease. So don't mind my hair today. I have no idea what's going on with my hair today. We're just going with it. I'm going to go in with this red color right here, and I'm just going to put it in the outer corner and blending it towards the center. So I'm going to bring that brown color here, and I'm going to put that towards the outer corners, just to deepen it up just a little bit. So next thing, I'm going to use this kind of mustardy yellow color over here, and I'm going to use that basically in the middle of my lid, and I'm just going to apply that with my fingers. I am a fan of fall. Just my favorite season is honestly Christmas, like winter, Christmas time. That's like my favorite time of year. So I am excited that it is fall, and I love the when the leaves change color and stuff. But like honestly, like my favorite is Christmas time, just because I love how family and friends get together, and I feel like in my family at least, like we get together a lot more around Christmas, and you see people that you haven't seen pretty much all year sometimes too. So. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is use this kind of metallic yellow gold shade here. I'm going to apply that to the inner corner and the inner lid here with my fingers as well. For my brow bone highlight, I'm actually going to use this shade right here. It's almost like this champagne-y color here. So I'm going to use that. And just with my finger, same thing, just kind of put it, just gives it a little bit of a highlight. So now I kind of want to intensify it a little bit, so I'm going to go back in with that red tone that we used before, and I'm just going to kind of add a little bit more in here on the outer corner and kind of bring it like a little bit in, so that it kind of blends with that yellow kind of mustardy color that we kind of applied there. And then to intensify it just a little bit more, I'm going to go in actually with the black shade here and just kind of use it towards the outer corner. And just blend it slightly in. I'm just going to kind of blend it just a little bit up, just to get rid of that like harsh line there. In with this brown shade here, and I'm just going to use that with my gold brush, and I'm just going to use that on my lower lash line just to kind of tie in everything together. So after we're done doing that, I'm going to go in my Annabelle Smooth Waterproof eyeliner, and I believe the color is just brownie, actually. Actually says brownie, so I'm just going to use this, and I'm just going to use that on my bottom lash line, bottom waterline. Use my NYX eyelash curler to curl my lashes. So the next thing I'm going to use is my Essence Lash Princess Mascara and apply that to my lashes. I'm going to be using my MAC lipstick today, and it is in the shade Brick Ola, and it's the amplified lipstick. So I'm just going to use that. Alright, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do like what you're watching, I hope that you will subscribe and click the notification bell down below as well to receive notifications when I upload more, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!